Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going through the mobile device management aspects or mobile application management aspects of the MobileFrame platform. And one of the really nice value adds as far as the MobileFrame platform is concerned is that this is built right into the product. You don't need to buy a separate software license from someone else and kind of cobble it together and make it a science project. With MobileFrame, it comes right out of the box. You'll be able to deploy your applications. You'll be able to support your applications out in the field without any additional third-party products to kind of create your own private app stores and remote monitoring. We do it right out of the MobileFrame environment for you. So from here, the way I access this is I just went to Administrator Tools and then Remote Manager. And then from here, these will show you all the devices I have online. You can configure this menu where you can change the views up and hide offline devices and users, display it by device and or user, group it by current status, operating system, platform, sub-platform. You can configure the columns in here. So there's a lot of nice little options in here. So I'm just going to pick on this the iPhone user or the device name iPhone with the user Nick logged in. You'll see that it's got this device is 78% battery, 95% free memory, 38% free storage, was last monitored 3 seconds ago. You have the user login, database size, MobileFrame version, etc. And then the coolest part is if I right click, we have some options on here. So I can send this person an instant message, right? And then that'll pop up on their mobile device. And once they've received that on their mobile device, they can then reply back. And the nice thing is that there's a log file associated with it as well. So I went ahead and replied back from my iPhone, and then there you go. Okay, so that's our Sarbanes-Oxley compliant instant messaging option, which actually can be programmatic from within an application, and the different mobile clients can actually write messages back and forth to each other if you allow that sort of thing. From in here, if I were to right click, I can force a server initiated synchronization. I can reset the client database, which is the equivalent of deleting it. I can log the user out forcibly, meaning they don't have a choice. I can exit MobileFrame forcibly, meaning they don't have a choice. I can clear any pending actions, so if a device was offline and then I tried to reset the database and I didn't mean to do that, I can clear any pending actions before that actually occurs on the device, which is nice. And then you can view any, the message history, action history with the device, and then most importantly is that you can actually inspect the device. So this inspect device functionality is really powerful. It allows you to troubleshoot devices remotely without actually having to have the device, available to you. They just need a connection to the internet. Shows you the version number, various different device information, the current GPS position, any results that might be pending, any device drivers that are loaded. You can review their log file to see if there's any kinds of issues in there, which is very nice. You could see any applications that might be running inside these devices as well. Okay, and then you can also go in here and you can remote control the device. So this is what the instant messaging component looks like inside the MobileFrame client that I am reviewing. And this is the main screen of our on-demand delivery application. Okay, so you can actually see what the user is seeing on their device. All right. And then if you need to, you can also query the database remotely. So if there is any kind of issue or you're trying to look up something, you can actually see what records they might have in their database from your office without them having to be physically in front of you, which is really nice. Perfect. Well, in next video, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the project deployment. And again, if you wanted to see a full feature demonstration, more of a technical in-depth deep dive, if you click on that full demo video, we'll take you through all the components of this. Some of it will be a little bit of a repeat, obviously, for you if you've watched these different modules, but it's a pretty powerful presentation and showcases how to build applications, manage applications, deploy applications, update applications, all that kinds of good stuff.